Hey YouTube, how the heck you doing? I'm doing great and I hope you are too. Today I'm doing a little updating to my Mac Mini 4. If you watched a few of my previous other ones, I had a mini hub for it earlier on that was giving me Wi-Fi connection troubles, slow speeds and stuff. So I got rid of that one, returned that one easily. And then I just went back to my usual one until something else would come along. And I did happen to find something that piqued my interest. I'm going to open it up today and get to probably set up and show you what it's looking like. But I'll give you my full review after I've worked with a few weeks and stuff and see exactly if I got the Wi-Fi speed or the SD card reader speed and all the other things that I want to do with my workflow. So let's go ahead and open up this guy. This is from Raycue. This is, does it have a model number? It just says Raycue. I'll leave a link below where I got it down below, but it's just the Raycue mini hub, USB hub for that. And it does have the storage for a card, so I do have a 2 terabyte Samsung EVO Plus 990 to pop in there. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. I haven't opened it up since it came in. I wanted to give you guys a full review. Built to chill, so it does have a cooling fan for it sitting underneath your Mac Mini. The one thing I don't think it circumvents is the power button situation with the Mac Mini. I don't have trouble with it. I mean, I just tilted a little bit and powered it on, but that's what I've been doing. So this is the Raycue Mac Mini hub. It's all aluminum construction, very well made. It's got some, looks like little grommet or rubber. It's got like a rubber seal to help protect it from there, and then it's got these vented slots all the way around, and they do go all the way around, so getting to that power button may be a challenge. So on the back side here, let's just look at it. We got 2 USB-C ports, we got a HDMI port and a USB 3 port for fast speed. On the front side, looks like we have a USB-C, USB-A, and a USB-B 3.0, I believe it is. It probably says on here somewhere, but and then you have your SD card and your micro SD. The other one that I came across before I returned it, I think it only had an SD, so you had to do the little carrier for your micro SD cards. And let's see what else we got in here. Take that out. This should be, okay, just a power cable. So what we got, a little box in here, little screwdriver to help set it up and put that expansion card in there, the little 2 terabyte card I have, and another screwdriver, 2 different kinds. You got a Phillips and a regular. So on the bottom I only see Phillips, probably for the card is the other one. But then you have your connection USB-C to USB-C cable, and then another USB-A to USB-C cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this puppy together and give you just the final setup of what it looks like. But then I'll come back in about a week or so, give you an update as far as how well this is performing. It's got a lot of ports and connections. The Mac Mini 4 only has 2 in the front, which are convenient, but this one has the SD card, and it has the USB-C, USB-A, and USB-B3 or USB-A3. They get so mixed up. I can't keep track of everything. Now there's Thunderbolt 4 and 5 and all those other ones. But that's all I wanted to bring you today, guys. They even gave me a little cooler for to sit onto the card that's going in there, so it will keep it warm while it's transferring data back and forth. But it looks like it's going to be a good fit. So we'll get this going together, guys, and I will be back in a couple weeks to give you a full update as far as speed and how well it's doing, and we will just go from there. But in the meantime, have a great day, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Talk to you.